In this in-depth tutorial, we take you through the complete process of installing ceramic tiles in an outdoor setting, a task that demands both precision and durability. Due to exposure to weather, moisture, and heavy foot traffic, whether you're working on a patio, balcony, garden walkway, or open courtyard, this video will show you every important step needed to achieve a long-lasting and professional finish. We begin with the critical foundation, preparing the ground with the right mixture of cement and sand to create a stable and level base that can withstand temperature changes and natural movement. You'll see how to measure and align the area, apply the adhesive evenly, and place the ceramic tiles with exact spacing to prevent cracks, water damage, and future repairs. Every stage of the installation is demonstrated clearly, from mixing materials and spreading mortar, to cutting tiles for edges and corners, ensuring everything fits neatly and securely. The techniques used in this video are the same ones used by expert tile setters, who prioritize quality and durability over shortcuts. What makes this tutorial special is its focus on real-world work conditions. No animations or studio tricks. Just real tools, real surfaces, and real craftsmanship. Even without voice commentary, the silent visuals and close-up views make each step easy to follow and understand. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong grasp of how to carry out exterior ceramic tiling the right way with clean lines, proper slope for drainage, and attention to detail that truly makes the result stand the test of time. Make sure to subscribe to Trowel and Tile for more high-quality construction and tiling tutorials that are practical, clear, and professionally executed. Whether you're a skilled mason or just starting out, you'll find valuable guidance here in every video we post. This project isn't just about placing tiles, it's about understanding the deeper aspects of outdoor ceramic work, how to deal with sloped surfaces for proper water drainage, how to choose tile types that resist weather changes, and how to ensure strong bonding so your tiles don't loosen or shift over time. Asterisk throughout the process. The video highlights how to avoid the most common mistakes in exterior tiling. These include uneven tile levels, poor adhesive coverage, incorrect joint spacing, and failure to plan for movement or temperature expansion. With careful planning and the right tools, you'll learn how to prevent these issues and deliver a result that stays strong and beautiful for years. Asterisk, you'll also see techniques for dealing with tricky areas, such as borders, corners, and transitions between different materials. Every movement of the hand, every cut of the tile, and every placement is done with care, showcasing the skill of a real craftsman who understands the balance between speed and precision. Asterisk, this tutorial respects your time and attention. There's no unnecessary talking or distraction, just focused, hands-on work. You'll be able to pause, rewatch, and analyze each part of the installation at your own pace, making it easier for you to apply the same methods in your own projects, whether small or large. Asterisk, by watching this video to the end, you'll walk away not only with practical skills, but also with a deeper appreciation for the art of exterior ceramic tile installation. It's about creating a surface that's not just functional, but also visually satisfying and built to last through all seasons. Asterisk, if you're serious about improving your tiling techniques or delivering professional quality work to your clients, this video is a valuable resource. For more silent, skill-focused tutorials, subscribe to Trowel and Tile and explore our growing library of real-world tiling solutions. In addition to the technical steps, this video emphasizes the mindset and discipline required for excellent outdoor ceramic tile work. True craftsmanship isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing it with consistency, accuracy, and pride in every detail. This tutorial captures that spirit, showing not only the how, but also the why behind every movement and decision on the job site. You'll notice how tools are handled with purpose. The trowel used at just the right angle to spread mortar evenly, the tile spacers positioned to maintain balance across the surface, and the rubber mallet applied gently to seat tiles without breakage. Even cleaning tools are used methodically to maintain a tidy and safe work environment throughout the process. You will also gain valuable insight into timing, when to let the mortar rest, how to plan your layout before mixing adhesive, and how to work efficiently without rushing. These time-tested habits are what separate a rushed job from a reliable, professional installation that stands the test of time. This video is more than just a tutorial. It's an immersive training experience. You're not just watching someone tile an outdoor floor. You're being invited into a workflow that has been shaped by years of hands-on experience. It's an opportunity to observe, reflect, and adopt the rhythm and patience of a true tile installer. At Trowel and Tile, we believe that knowledge should be shared without barriers. That's why our videos rely on clear visuals instead of language, making them accessible to viewers around the world, regardless of background or spoken tongue. We focus on silent, skill-based demonstrations so that every viewer, beginner, or professional can learn through observation and repetition. We invite you to become part of a growing community of craftsmen, builders, and tile enthusiasts who are passionate about excellence. Subscribe to Trowel and Tile, turn on notifications, and explore dozens of detailed, realistic tutorials that can sharpen your skills and transform the way you approach tiling work, one project at a time. What truly makes outdoor ceramic tiling an art, not just a construction task, is the attention given to every unseen element beneath the surface. While most people only see the final tiles once the job is complete, the real success of the project is hidden in the foundation. The consistency of the mortar bed, the exact slope calculated to direct rainwater, the compactness of the base that supports every step for years to come. This tutorial doesn't rush to the end result. It honors each one of those invisible steps that define a professional's work ethic. Asterisk. Outdoor surfaces present many challenges that indoor tiling doesn't. Exposure to rain, sun, cold, and temperature swings all threaten the lifespan of a tiled surface. That's why everything shown in this video, from how to press and twist the tile slightly to improve bonding, to how to keep clean lines even when working around pillars or obstacles, has been chosen carefully. These techniques weren't invented in a classroom. They're the result of years of trial, failure, improvement, and mastery. Asterisk. The video shows how every joint is spaced evenly to allow for slight expansion, preventing tiles from cracking during summer heat. It reveals how water is guided gently across the surface to avoid pooling, using small adjustments in slope that are nearly invisible to the eye, but crucial to the tile's longevity. You'll see that real craftsmanship doesn't fight nature, it works with it, shaping the installation to withstand its environment gracefully. Asterisk. Every tool used in the process plays a vital role. The notched trowel ensures the adhesive layer is even and consistent. The rubber mallet gently beds each tile without cracking it. The spirit level and laser guide check that the surface remains smooth and properly aligned. The cutter provides sharp, accurate edges that fit snugly against borders and transitions. There's no guesswork here, only knowledge, precision, and control. Asterisk. What's also powerful about this tutorial is that it asks the viewer to slow down. In a world of quick tips and shortcuts, this video is a reminder that real quality takes time. It shows that tiling isn't about rushing to cover space. It's about creating a floor that tells a story of precision, patience, and pride in workmanship. It's about caring enough to make every square meter count, even if no one else notices but you. Asterisk. As the tiles go down one by one, there's a rhythm to the process, a flow. It's meditative, almost like watching a craftsman paint a canvas. Only here, the canvas is the earth beneath your feet, and the paintbrush is a trowel. With every movement, the floor begins to come alive, not just as a surface to walk on, but as a statement of skill and dedication. Asterisk. Many viewers of this channel aren't professional tile installers. They're homeowners, curious learners, or simply people who love watching skilled work unfold. That's the beauty of silent craftsmanship. It transcends language. You don't need to speak the same tongue to understand that care and focus are universal values. You just need your eyes, your curiosity, and the willingness to learn. Asterisk. At Trowel and Tile, every video is created with this philosophy in mind. We don't aim for flashy edits or staged projects. We aim for truth, real work, real mistakes, real fixes, and real satisfaction. The projects you see here could be your own. The techniques you learned here could shape your next home improvement or professional job. Asterisk. If this video inspires you, teaches you, or simply gives you a moment of calm as you watch a floor take shape under skilled hands, then it has done its job. We invite you to stay with us on this journey, not just to watch, but to grow, to build, and to master the craft one tile at a time. Asterisk. So take a deep breath, enjoy the process, and remember, true quality doesn't come from rushing. It comes from respect for the material, for the work, and for the people who walk across what you've built. And when you're ready to learn more, the next video is waiting. There's something timeless about building with your hands. In a world dominated by speed, automation, and disposable solutions. The simple act of laying one tile after another, carefully, patiently, with purpose, becomes an act of resistance. It says, "I still believe in doing things right." That belief is what this video represents. It's not just a demonstration, it's a quiet declaration that true quality is still possible in our fast-moving world. Asterisk, each movement captured in this video carries the weight of experience. The way the craftsman kneels, his hands covered in mortar, the way he taps a tile lightly, listens for the right sound. It's all a language, unspoken but understood by those who know the craft. These details are more than technique. They are tradition, passed down through generations. And this video doesn't just teach tiling, it preserves that tradition for anyone willing to pay attention. Asterisk, when working outdoors, the tile layer is not just shaping a surface, he's shaping how people will experience that space. Will it feel clean and elegant? Will it drain well during rain? Will it remain intact through the years? These aren't questions answered by chance. They're answered by careful planning, precise leveling, and unwavering discipline. Asterisk, you may think that tiling is about finishing a job and moving on. But this video shows that the process itself is where the magic happens. When you focus on each tile as if it's the most important one, the entire surface becomes something greater than the sum of its parts. It becomes a reflection of character, of commitment, consistency, and care. Asterisk, there's a quiet poetry in the symmetry of tiles, the repetition of lines, and the textures under the light of day. These patterns stay with people. Children will run barefoot over this floor. Elders will sit beside it and sip tea. Life will unfold on top of it, and the person who laid those tiles may never meet those people, but they've shaped part of their environment. That is the silent impact of craftsmanship. Asterisk, this video, like many on trowel and tile, invites viewers not only to learn a trade, but to understand the mindset of the skilled worker. It's not about cutting corners or hiding flaws. It's about accepting the hard work, the imperfections in the process, and transforming them into lasting beauty. No shortcut can replace the feeling of looking at a finished job and knowing, I gave it my best. Asterisk, it doesn't matter if you're working on your first outdoor patio, a client's garden path, or the front entrance of a family home. Every tile you lay is a message. It says, someone cared enough to do this well. Asterisk, and that's why we make these videos. Not for trends, not for likes, but for the love of doing things the right way, even when no one is watching. Because in the end, the work speaks for itself, and its voice lasts far longer than the video runtime. Asterisk, when the project is done, the tools are cleaned, and the surface dries under the open sky, there's a moment of peace, a sense of fulfillment that only those who work with their hands truly understand. It's not about fame or money. It's about knowing that something beautiful now exists because of you. Something solid, level, square, and strong. Asterisk, that's the feeling we hope you take away from this tutorial. And when you're ready to feel it again, we'll be here with another floor, another project, and another chance to build something that lasts. Beyond the technical skill and craftsmanship, outdoor ceramic tiling carries with it a deeper significance. It's about creating spaces where memories will be made. Think about the gatherings of family and friends on a sunny patio, the quiet mornings spent on a balcony with a cup of coffee, or the joyful footsteps of children playing in a garden walkway. The surface you build is not just a floor, it's the stage for life's moments, big and small. Asterisk, this video reminds us that every tile laid is part of a bigger story, one that connects the artisan's hands to the lives of those who will use the space. The care shown in mixing the right mortar, leveling every tile perfectly, and ensuring proper drainage is an investment in comfort, safety, and beauty that lasts through seasons and years. Asterisk, for professionals. This tutorial is a masterclass in precision and patience. It's an invitation to elevate your work beyond mere function to true artistry. For beginners, it offers a roadmap, clear, silent, and focused, to gain confidence and develop skills that build a foundation for future projects. Asterisk. The journey of tiling an outdoor floor is filled with decisions, adjustments, and moments of problem solving. The video captures these realities without glossing over challenges. It shows how to adapt when materials behave unexpectedly, how to manage uneven ground, and how to maintain quality even under difficult conditions. These lessons are invaluable for anyone serious about the craft. Asterisk. Moreover, the silent format encourages deep observation and reflection. Without distractions, you can focus fully on the visual cues, the way the mortar spreads, the slight angle adjustments, the tapping rhythm, allowing you to internalize techniques that words sometimes fail to convey. Asterisk tiling is also about respect. Respect for materials, for the environment, and for the end users who will rely on the floor every day. This video embodies that respect through every frame, demonstrating that a good tile installation honors all those who interact with it. Asterisk, by watching and practicing the methods shown here, you contribute to a tradition that has shaped human environments for centuries, from ancient mosaics to modern patios. The principles of careful preparation, precise placement, and durable finishing remain timeless. Asterisk, at Trowel and Tile, we are proud to carry forward this legacy by sharing knowledge honestly and accessibly. We invite you to join our community of learners and craftsmen who value quality above speed, skill above shortcuts, and passion above all. Asterisk, whether your goal is personal improvement, professional growth, or simply appreciating the beauty of skilled work, this video offers a meaningful experience. Step by step, tile by tile, you're not just creating a floor, you're building a legacy. Mastering the art of outdoor ceramic tiling is more than just following a series of steps. It's a journey of continuous learning and dedication. Every project teaches something new, whether it's how different weather conditions affect the mortar setting, how to troubleshoot unexpected surface imperfections, or how to creatively work around obstacles such as uneven edges or built-in fixtures. This video is a valuable part of that learning path, providing clear, detailed visuals that make complex techniques accessible to all levels of skill. Asterisk, as you watch, you'll notice that the process requires a combination of patience, precision, and adaptability. It challenges you to develop a keen eye for detail and a steady hand, qualities that distinguish a professional from an amateur. The quiet, focused presentation allows you to absorb the rhythm of the work, the timing of each action, and the thoughtful consideration behind every placement. Asterisk. This tutorial also serves as a reminder that quality craftsmanship is never rushed. True professionals know that the best results come from investing time in preparation, planning, and execution. The video captures this philosophy beautifully, showing that excellence lies not in speed, but in the care with which each tile is set, the uniformity of joints, and the smoothness of the finished surface. Asterisk. By mastering these skills, you open doors to many exciting opportunities, whether it's upgrading your own home with durable, elegant outdoor flooring, taking on client projects with confidence, or even teaching others the art of tiling. The foundational techniques demonstrated here form the basis for more advanced work, such as intricate patterns, mixed materials, or large format tiles. Asterisk. Moreover, this video highlights the importance of working responsibly and sustainably, using materials wisely, minimizing waste, and respecting the environment where the project takes place, are integral parts of modern craftsmanship. These principles ensure that your work not only looks good, but also stands as a testament to responsible building practices. Asterisk, at Trowel and Tile, we believe in empowering every viewer, regardless of experience, to achieve professional level results. Our content is designed to break down barriers, making expert techniques understandable and achievable. The silent, visual approach encourages repeated viewing and hands-on practice, essential for mastering any skilled trade. Asterisk. We encourage you to take your time with this tutorial, pausing and reviewing sections as needed, and applying what you learn to real projects. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every great craftsman grew through patience and perseverance. Asterisk. Finally, we want to thank you for choosing to learn with us. Your commitment to developing your skills honors the tradition of craftsmanship and helps keep it alive for future generations. Subscribe to Trowel and Tile, stay connected, and continue exploring the vast world of tiling through our growing collection of tutorials. Asterisk. Together, we're building more than floors, we're building skills, confidence,